I decided today that I want to work on the Mustang a little bit. There it is right there. I'm doing quite a bit of sanding. I still need to do a little bit more work here and right here, right there. And then I need to do a little bit more down there too. But this panel right here is just about done. I'm not worried about the door because we have a new door inside the house. And then the other door is over there. That one's already off. I'm going to be mainly doing this today. I figured I'd change up the scenery a little bit. So, you guys get to watch me work on the Mustang today, which should be a lot of fun because I've never actually done a video with me working on the Mustang. So it'll be a little different. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to work on this section, maybe move around a little bit, kind of get a little bit of work done everywhere on it. Because I have... most of the front is scuffed and ready for primer and stuff. We need to just mainly get these back quarters and the roof done so it can be ready for primer and paint. So let's get started instead of sitting here talking.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
This thing makes a mess. The people that don't like Bondo, yes, I understand. Some people really don't like it, but it does work very well. And to top it off, the person that built this car before us used about 10 times more Bondo than we did. The car turned out like incredible. Like you would have never known it had Bondo on it, which is pretty impressive if you think about it. So, I forgot to turn the camera back on, but I started sanding this smooth. I did up there, over there. I just got a little bit down here. So yeah. Hey guys, so I haven't really been doing a lot of recording. I have gotten a lot done. This side, I've gotten it pretty well straight here. There's a couple of little divots and whatnot, but yeah, if you look like right here, I just have to go over it a little bit more and it'll be good. See also like right in there. Let's look from this way. Yeah. But overall, it's coming out pretty good. This little duck fin here is kind of a pain because you can't really sand it straight. You have to like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but sanding's hard in general. It's just you have to be patient, which is fine with me. I'm overall pretty happy with how this is looking. This side doesn't really need that much work done to it. It's just kind of here because this thing has like a whole new panel in. So the way they put this on here was kind of poor. There's a little spot down there we got to do as well, but that's about it. And then there's an X somewhere up here. There it is, right there. That's a little divot we got to fill in, and then there's another one up there. But it's almost ready to do like the smoothing process. We're kind of doing like the shaping. So overall, it looks pretty good right now. I'll get back to you guys in just a little bit after I get some more work done. Alright guys, so I think I'm done for the night. I did a ton of work. I got a lot of progress done. Let me get the flashlight and I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's dark out now, so let me show you guys. There we go. So I still have a little bit more to do right along there, and then a little bit there as well. Let me see if I can make this a little lighter. There we go. A little bit more to do. I was doing a lot of work over here. This side I'd got the line here pretty straight. You're fine. So everything here is pretty smooth. I got to do a little bit more, a little bit down here, like I said before, but yeah, I did quite a bit of work tonight, so it's been an interesting night, but I had a lot of fun, and doing the work yourself is a lot more satisfying than paying somebody. So with that note, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Models popping bottles.